SpaceX has just added another company to its ever-expanding ecosystem. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech updates. Cursor, the startup that became famous for its AI coding tool, is now officially owned by SpaceX. The companies announced the acquisition in June, but the process apparently started in April when they teamed up for Cursor's model training efforts. In its announcement, Cursor said that it will now have access to the largest fleet of GPUs in the world, which will give it the computing capacity to build and train better models that it can offer its customers at a lower cost. SpaceX is a company which merged with tech giant Elon Musk's AI company xAI earlier this year. Elon Musk reportedly paid $60 billion for the purchase, and in July, xAI officially became SpaceXAI. Shortly after the new name was announced, the companies released Grok 4.5, the first model SpaceXAI and Cursor built together. It was designed to excel at coding agentic tasks and knowledge work and to deliver results at far lower costs. Since then, the company's been on a roll as it's released Grok 4.6, which builds on 4.5. The newer model was trained to do real-life tasks like general coding, web development, and computer-aided design, among others. Now that Cursor's also merged with the AI company, it says that Grok 4.6 provides an early look at what it can build together with SpaceXAI. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.